afternoon. Today I am here to share with you my classroom rules. The importance of classroom rules allows for a well-functioning learning environment. It can add order and structure to the classroom, and it can also allow for students to learn the proper behavior that they can carry with them outside of the classroom. The first rule is to raise your hand before sharing with the class. By raising your hand, it allows for your voice to be heard. And if all students are speaking at the same time, no individual student will have the opportunity to be heard. It also shows the teacher or whoever is speaking that you are interested in the lesson and willing to share what you have learned. Rule number 2, treat all friends how you want to be treated. You have to show respect to your friends. It allows for no fights to occur during class time. You have to be kind to all and be respectful to special guests that enter the classroom. Rule number 3, use walking feet when in the classroom. Walking quietly from one place to another allows for a quiet learning environment. It also prevents students from tripping or falling within the class. It is less of a distraction than stomping, running, or hopping.